NerdVision is a non-breaking production-safe debugger that can be used on all Java, Node.js, and Python applications, with more languages to come. In this short video, we are going to cover installing the Node.js agent on your application. The NerdVision Node agent is located within the npm package manager. Installing the Node agent is a three-step process. If we look at the agent quick start guide in the debugger UI, we can copy the commands directly from the page. First, we will run npm I at nerdvision/agent to install the NerdVision package into your local package repository. We will then copy the import and start command into the JS file we execute to start the application. As we are running a JavaScript file rather than a TypeScript file, we need to use require to import the NerdVision agent, as opposed to using a direct import statement. Finally, we need to move the close command to our onError function to ensure the node process terminates cleanly. After restarting our application, we see "Let's Go" in the terminal, indicating NerdVision is running. If we go to the debugger UI, we can now see we have a connected client. You can install NerdVision in under a minute and leave it installed on the server 24/7, so you will never need to restart to add logging to your application again.